guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work. And I don't know, some people decorated last week's Valentine's, but Valentine's Day is officially on the Monday. So this week will be Valentine's week, even though my husband and I are going out on a date on this Saturday. Anyway, logistically, whatever. So what I thought I'd use is actually these stickers from the Juliet kit from Let's Plan It. Now this isn't actually a kit. This is just the deco sheet and the supplemental sheet. I was trying to kind of experiment with whether I really need the Hobonichi cousin kit and the daily kit and see how I like just using these pieces in my weeks, my cousin, and my daily spread. So this week is kind of an experiment to see if this is all that I need to decorate, or do I really want to purchase all of those kits? I don't know, we'll see. But I'm going to also combine it with some of these khaki alcohol ink. That is hard to say. Khaki alcohol ink from According to Allie. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually just use my fountain pen. So this is my Sailor Pro Gear in the white rose gold, and it currently has Sailor Manyo Kuzu in it. And just actually write in the day of the week. You know, I should get this right. The day of the week is written right there, so I shouldn't screw this up. But you never know. It's funny how things like the days of the week, you know, challenge you. I really like adding that. It's just a simple little effect, but I don't know, to me it makes such a huge difference. Okay, so let's just have all of these stickers out here. I think what I want to do let's place this one. Oh, whoopsie. Probably place that here. And, or here. Yeah, I'll place this here. With a strip of washi. But saying that, I do have washi in that exact color. Almost that exact color. No, you guys don't want to see me try and swatch and figure out which ones do actually match. That one's pretty close. But, there it is. Okay. So this is the washi tape from the washi tape shop. The thing with this though is you actually have to peel it. It's not tape per se. It's like you have to measure it, cut it, and then you peel it. I don't know how I feel about that. It's like an extra step that I'm not sure I'm ready to do. Maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe that's it, Karina. Maybe you're just lazy. And I can hear my friend Adrian in the background go, yeah, that's what it is. Okay, place one of these here. Oh, I like that already. One of the things I'm forgetting to do is to draw the line right down the middle, and I'm going to do that with this pen. I'm really trying to make sure I'm using all the pens that I currently have inked so that it's worthwhile. And the thing is, I really do enjoy using all of these pens. Don't want to smudge it. There we go. I love the colors of the inks that I've chosen. I love the pens. I mean, like, how gorgeous is that? Okay, enough about the pens. I'm going to place one of the, use up what I have here, one of the big alcohol ink stickers. And I know I'm taking up a lot of room, but this week or this last week at work, I didn't really use too much of the notes page. The thing is, even if I don't use a ton of the notes page, or if I need all that space, I also have back here. So I'm gonna use, there's so many great stickers here, and I'm just kind of like, what do I want to use but still leave for other spreads? So I'm going to do a combination of this with one of these, like the darker one, and I'm going to use this heart. So make like a little cluster here. Oh, so simple and so cute. Then, do I just want to leave the bottom? No, let's not. There's some great stickers here, and I want to try and use all of them. So, well, not all of them for this spread, because I still do have another couple of spreads to work from. Let's take one more heart, and then there's me in the background going, conserve the stickers, you need to save them. No, just use them, Karina. Just use them. So taking another piece of this washi, and I'm placing that here at the bottom. I'm gonna take that and okay. That is cute, actually. I really like that. I love the different color combinations, and I haven't used a ton of stickers. I did finish up that sticker sheet though. There's always something so satisfying about finishing a sticker sheet. So I'm gonna go zoom in and then write down all my meetings, and then I'll zoom out. There's the overall finished spread. I really love the colors in this spread. I love the color of that ink and how it matches so well to that heart deco. All right, but that is it for me. Very quick and simple spread. I really love decorating the weeks because it is so quick and still super functional. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.